What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a brand new video. 2022, hey, happy new year to every single one of yous. And yeah, thank you to all the new subscribers. I am going to be getting a haircut today, so don't mind this crazy look I'm looking like at the minute. Audi A1 1.6 TDI Sport. And when I mean sport, this car is flat out. It doesn't have the drive modes where you can select what mode you want to be in. We do have another 1.6 TDI Sport as well. I'm not sure if I've uploaded the video to that yet, so you might already know that. If not, I will upload it soon because I'm actually doing content on that right now as we speak as well. So today, this is wash day for this car that we're in. I will get out, do a little walk around of the vehicle and show you what we got going on. It's absolutely rapid, this car. We do have a few issues that we need to address, and the wheels are one of them. Someone sprayed in black, absolutely horrendous. Car looks sick. I mean, in general, the car was bought as a category N and it was meant to have front end damage, but when I picked up the vehicle, there was no damage at all on this vehicle. Starts first time every time, no lights on the dash. Only thing that we do have a problem with is the battery keeps dying as well, so I will be replacing it. Actually, I do have a battery in the boot as well, so I will be replacing that with a brand new battery. And we need to pick up some wiper blades because these ones are like literally dried up rubber, so they're not doing anything. Back one needs to be replaced, front one needs to be replaced, wheels need to be sorted out, either refurbed or probably replaced. Let me get out of the car, do a quick walk around, show you what we got going on with the vehicle, and we'll continue the video when we get back in. But for now, let me flip the camera around, check this out. So check it out, guys. We've only got 96, just say 97,000 on the clock. 1.6 diesel, as mentioned. I mean, we've got a nice little stereo. It's absolutely clean in here, guys. I mean, sorry about the lighting, but yeah, let me pop the bonnet. There we go, mate. There we go. She needs a good clean, so we're actually taking the car to get cleaned right now, but that's what we're looking with. Really high at the back as well, so we need to get some springs for that. Drop this car a little bit. Front end damage, guys. I don't see no damage to the front of this vehicle at all. We do have a bit of what you call it, a little grill at the bottom missing, but yeah, this is what I mean about the wheels need doing. Someone sprayed them. You can even see the calipers. They sprayed them with the calipers on there, so you got a bit of black. Oh, horrendous, mate. But yeah, let me quick walk around. She's straight all around though, perfect. Straight all round car. Nice little thing it is. 1 minute. That's the interior. It is a sport model, so you do have these sort of bucket seats, and they're really nice. I mean, for what it is, got some fag burns in there, so we'll have to sort that out. But yeah, little bucket seats. It's nice, man. It is a nice little thing. Let me pop the bonnet. I mean, have a look under this bonnet. It has been loved by somebody. You know, it's all complete. Everything's there. Everything's clean. I mean, look how orange that looks. Stunning. Look at that. It's fresh as hell, mate. You know, it is a category N, but someone loved this car. I'm not sure the deal on it. Sounds good, pulls really well. Let me get a little thumbnail there. Cool, let's get back in. Now that you've seen what the car looks like, guys, yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. If you're not subscribed, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you do all the good stuff. And thank you very much to all the people that have continued to support the channel, and thank you very much to all the people that have just recently subscribed to the channel. It means a lot to me. Almost 1,000, guys. Got a lot of content for 2022. I am going to be modifying cars like hell. I'm going to be showing you what I do, you know, my kind of lifestyle. This is how I got into cars, boy races. I continuously watch people on YouTube, so the love for cars, man, is outstanding. I've got a Subaru as well, an abandoned Subaru that's literally a bun find, guys. I can't wait to be doing that. I've spoken to a company called Jap Performance as well, so we'll get an engine rebuild, but more on that on another video. Let's go and get this car cleaned up. Right, guys, have a look at what it is looking like. Looks absolutely stunning now that it's been cleaned. I mean, it being a white car and the weather is pretty shit, so it is splashing a bit of dirt on the things, but we will give it a good polish as well when we get in. For now, you know, we've got it nice and clean. We can get some pictures of the car as well as it is, and we'll stick this car up for probably around 4.5 grand, maybe 4 grand. I'm not too sure. Obviously there's a little bit of profit in it for me, so I paid quite a good price for this car, considering it's not even a cat. Well, considering it is a cat and there wasn't no damage to the vehicle. So yeah, I've got a touch on this one. Right guys, as you can see, I think you can agree with me, the car's turned out really well with the way the guys cleaned the car. I will be heading off to my favorite spot now, get some pictures. Actually, Euro Car Parts. I'm just literally at Euro Car Parts now, so I will be getting to Euro Car Parts, get the wiper blades, change the wiper blades, go to my favorite spot, get the pictures for the vehicle, list the car. Car should be up for sale today. And in the meantime of me listing the car up, I will order some lowering springs because we definitely need them. I'm going to be picking up some wheels for the other Audi that we got. Hopefully I'll do a video on that and upload the video very soon. But yeah, we'll be picking up some wheels, so I'll take the wheels from the other Audi, stick them on here, lowering springs, boot spoiler, lip, and I think we're good to go. The car should look a little bit more sporty and stand out from the rest. But I will be putting the car up for about 4.5 grand. I think that's what Auto Trader says I should put it up for, considering it is a cat. These sport models are probably going for around 5,000 upwards. So yeah, I think 4.5 is a reasonable price. We just wait for someone to come in it and move on to the next. Make sure you guys like, comment, and see you people in the next one. Peace out, people. Bye bye.